What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Camarillo. I did drive the long drive for you guys. All right, got Nike outlet. Might do Adidas. Yeah, let's go check out the Nike outlet, see what's up. All right, let's see what they got. Trying to get some running shoes for my kiddo. But yeah, we're always looking for heat too. All right, yeah, they got a heat wall situation. Let's get in line. And then they got some chrome dunks. They got chrome dunks, yo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So those are the Clot Dunks. They have up to size 11. They got the 5s and then they got the 1 mids. I'm standing in line. I was trying to figure out if I should get the Clot Dunks. The Dunk Highs. It is all chrome looking. There's no discount on any of this stuff. I think I'm gonna pass. Dang, which, man, my kids can be like, we stood in line for nothing. All right, yeah, we're gonna pass. I'm gonna pass. All right, let's go check out the rest of the store. And they got the heat wall here, man. This is like a crazy situation here. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Duke got some dunks. I think these are women's dunks. I know these are women's right here. The Elevates, the Jordan 1. Awesome colorway. Terrible silhouette with the platform right there. Man, these were what, 130 or something? 140, I think, too. Got some of these. Just saw one of these at the other store I visited. Yeah, man, this is a size 8 right here. Okay. I don't believe you get the discounts for any of this stuff. This is definitely a surprise. This is a size 10. Should I pick this up? Should I pick this one? Oh, this is a golf. Okay, excuse me. Oh, this is a golf. That's why I was so confused seeing this. Dude got the box right behind. Yeah, these ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. This is a size 10. Okay. Got 7s. Always got 7s. 11 low IEs. This is a 10.5, my size. Got some kid stuff right there. More grade school. And then dude got some of the DAPs, right? The DAP BBs. No price tags on them though. $350 price tag on that one. No price tag on that. Trying to get some running shoes for my kiddo. $180 for these. That price definitely ain't it. Some Air Max 97s going for $185. Okay, get a little 20% off. Not too shabby. Did forget to show y'all that. Yes, 20% off. Just the back wall stuff. Ooh, this is a pretty good deal. But white, he will destroy that in like 8 minutes. 7.5. These tend to be tight too. Looking in the size 8s, but there's 7.5s. A couple of them here. Temple Next Percent line, they go for $110. Pegasus 38. It's $120. 8.5s. Doesn't look like I'm gonna find some running shoes. $105 for these bad boys. KDs. That's a pretty good deal, especially with that 20 off. 8.5. Zoom Terra Kikers go for $80. Vomeros go for $80. That's actually a really good price. Air Max 90s, they've had these for 90 years. This is $100. Finally gone down. They were trying to get $150 for these for like 3 years, I believe. 9.5. What the hell happened to the 9s, man? Just went from 8.5 all the way to 9.5. Venture Runners go for $45. There's a size 9. We've seen these plenty of times. The Temple Expert have Finance. Still $110. Got some Prestos. These are some interesting Prestos. $110. What now with the size 10 apparently? The hell is this, like a Power Ranger one? What the hell is this, dude? Alright. $130 for those. So I got tons on the heat wall. Everywhere else, not much. Not much. Got these $110 for $180 for these. My bad. Infinity Roughline 2s. These are Nike by You with that extra blingy material on it. Okay. Air Force Unos right here. Size 10. Tumble leather's not bad. Buck. What's this one? Oh, 100 for them. I thought it was 180. I was like, what? No, inflation's bad, but come on now. Air Max 2017s. What are these? Oh, 165. Oh, what? Oh man, I was like, these are the David Robinsons. I was like, what? But yeah, they're cleats. They were the regular ones. I definitely would have copped that. Damn, dude. I thought I got all happy. Emotions are going crazy here, man. Getting happy, then getting disappointed. $140 for those. 10.5, a ton of these. The Phantom Run React Finder 2's going for $80. That drop, that wasn't me, that was someone else. Oh, these are downshifters. I didn't mess with those. Phantom GT Elite's got a ton of these going for $2 size 11. Damn, I'm running the 11s already. God damn, dude. Another one of these Power Ranger things. I don't know what the hell those are. $1.30. Size 12 and a half. Just not much, you guys. Not much. Got these things right here. I didn't even show you guys the price on those. We've seen these a couple times now. Okay, it's $2.30 for those. Size 12. 14s right here. Never seen this colorway. This is a low. Jordan 36 lows. Haven't seen that. Okay. $1.65 for those. Size 13. Got these bad boys. The Alpha Flight Next Percent's going for $180. 13 and a half LeBron's going for $130. That's the LeBron lows. Not finding much, you guys, in the big sizes or the smaller size too. It's all been about the heat wall. All right, let's check out the aisles. We do got do got some Zions. Got some Jordans that people actually know or look at. Going for retail though. Going for retail. Hydro 6s going down in price. Finally, they were $35 forever. Some Flytrap 4s, really good price right here. KD Tray 5 8s. Another one. I don't know what color this way is. I don't know, but they got another one. What? That's definitely the cheapest we've seen these. PG 5s going for hella cheap. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We know the 6s are out, but damn, that's cheap. 8.5, the biggest size they got. So yeah, these will be gone in a couple days. Witness 5s, plenty of those. Another one of those. Soldier 14, that is. These Witnesses way further from the other two. Another one right here as well. The hell is this? The Free Crater moccasins? Alright, those don't even look like Nikes. $10. We just saw them at Westlake for $8. Yeah. Benassi slides, hard as a rock. I don't know why I show these to you guys because I don't know, maybe you guys like really hard stuff. I don't know. The Asuna slides, you want comfort, grab some of these. Feet just sweat like crazy, I guess. Another one of those. Oh, this is the cheapest we've seen these. These retail for like $130. So that's actually the cheapest we've seen. Do got some J Freeze right here. Blazer off course. The low version. I guess it's black too. Canvas version of the Blazers. Got these bad boys, the drift. I still don't understand. I don't. Made out of burlap sack or something. Kind of weird. The Daybreaks going for hella cheap. I don't know what the hell that is. Atsuma Trails, Blazers, Kill Shots. We've seen a ton of these. These are going for $70. They got a green one over there as well. I've been saying these are going to keep going down. They are going down. Air Max 2017s. What the hell? Damn dog. All right, if you guys take dogs into Nike outlets, you guys are annoying as hell. But yeah, do good. Air Max 90s. Ooh, look at the price on this one. We saw that at the Nike clearance store for... Oh no, we saw that at Westlake, right? Westlake for that cheap. That's hella good. They're here. Yeah. Regular ones, 4Y or 4E. Got more and more. All right, 270 Reacts. Another one of those. These are the fake Monarchs. The Defy All Days. Look at how cheap they go for. Oh my goodness. Man. Got a few different colors of those. Dang, they got a lot. All black one too. Then some of the running shoes. I did go around here with my kid real quick. React Milers, Miler 2s, Pegasus 38s, Infinity Run Flying 2s, ton of Pegasus. Those are the 37s. Another one of those. Another one. That dumbass dog is still barking at everybody. All right, we got these Infinity Run Flying 2s. All right, so we do got these. Look at this. This is the Pegasus 37 Shields. And I would get these because look at the price, but man, my kid's feet would be sweating like crazy. Just no ventilation on these because it's meant for inclement weather. But yeah, look at that. That's just crazy cheap. Look how crazy cheap it is. Oh my god. And it's still plenty available. Plenty of sizes. 7 all the way to what, 13s. Yeah, different colorway going for $60. Pegasus 37s. Holy crap. Oh, those are slightly different. Okay. Got our little restock situation over here. Checking the heat wall once again. They still have quite a few Clot Dunks. That's surprising. I know the resale's not crazy, but to be able to get Dunks like at an outlet, that's a collab. That's crazy. They are starting to sell though. I see a lot of people with boxes. All right, gonna check out the women's section real quick because my kid, his feet aren't too wide, so I might be able to try some women's running shoes if we can find any really good deals. I didn't find any running shoes for my kiddo. Do you got these right here? Air Max 2017s. I think the yellow tags are the extended size tags, like when they price it down even more. But yeah, 145 for those. Size 12, 155 for these right here. I was like, are these some hyper dunks? No, not really. The hyper sets. These are size 10, 105. Size 9.5, 75 for the Epic Rack Finder 2s. Got some Jordan Air Maze going for 160. Okay. 9.5. This one's going for $90. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen on those. If you like boots, these are heavy as hell though. So if you like boots, you'll be good. Pegasus 36s. This would fit my kid, but the technology just sucks. I could get them 30, probably 34 bucks, maybe. Yeah, nah, you know what? I'll get them something better. Invincible Run Flying it's going for 90. That's gonna get dirty too quick. See, these Pegasus 36 are all on sale for 40 bucks, but yeah, I need better tech than that, man. Lunalon is dead. It's old. Size 8. This is the type of stuff they got. The Air Max Thea Mids going for 75. Got them in size 7.5 as well. Look at this, man. Like everywhere we go, dude. This is size 6.5. Like they got a few things here and there, but nothing crazy. 6.5, 250 for those. Got some Hirachis, 6.5, 75 bucks. I got some Air Max. Oh, got some Air Force Ones going for man. That's women's section. So weak here today. Checking. I'm going through the Pegasus, the running section right here, Pegs 38s. But I don't think I'm gonna find much. Damn, I'd have to go with Ultra Boost, dang, dude, or the clearance store, but I'm boycotting that place. So yeah, I don't really see much. That's a decent price. I think I can find them cheaper. Yeah, man, that's not bad. We've seen men's prices though, like that. All right, let's check out the apparel section, see what's going on here. I do see some jerseys. These are the penny jerseys. Yeah, the half-cent ones. Going for $70. You do get 20% off clearance apparel. Guess all these are the penny jerseys. You got a LeBron jersey, $110. This authentic LeBron jersey, $170. What size are these? These are smalls. Dang, a ton of those jerseys. That's pretty much about it on this rack. You usually have a bunch of dope stuff right here on this rack, but not really. A bunch of t-shirts and stuff. This is freaking fire. What's this? Oh, this is a double XL. Remember, I did see this cheap at, I saw one of these. It was a size small though. That was at the Champs Outlet. Jordan sweatshirt here. This is a double XL going for 30 bucks. You do get 20 off on top of that. Nike fleece jackets going for $35. These are all XLs, double XLs. Nike Tech fleece going for $140. Not the greatest price. Oh, this one's dope. I do like this one. $25 double XL though. Checking the medium section right here, $60. That's a small. Nike SB sweatshirt going for $55. These are all smalls. I thought this was medium. Okay, this is the medium. I do got the penny what's it called, hoodie right here. Normally $120 down to $60. That's actually a pretty good deal. Checking the pantalones section right here. See what's up with the pants. $20 for these. Jordan sweats going for $20. Normally $80. You get 20% off the top. $16. $16. Got more of them. This is the XL going for $30 though. Dang, there was another rack. Just nothing to show you though. These go for $35. Not too shabby. Not too bad. I think it's all about the heat wall, dude. They do have t-shirts and stuff like that for a pretty decent deal. You know, 25 bucks, get 30% off. But I definitely think it's all about the heat section. Also the heat wall back there. But I think we're done. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Let's go. All right, guys. Man, I hope you guys are following me on Instagram, because I did post that they did have that heat cart in the back. I did post that, and I did pretty much show everybody that they do have the, what is this, the Clot Dunks. And yeah, a couple of you guys were able to cop, so that is pretty dope. Pretty freaking dope. And that's kind of the whole point of my Instagram page, because not like I'm trying to be Instagram famous. I just figured, hey, that's an opportunity to show you guys, because back in the day when I first started this channel, like, I'd be able to show you guys, hey, what they had, and then, you know, 2 days later, you guys were able to go pick it up. But lately, the sneaker game is just totally different. So, yeah, that's kind of why I have the Instagram page. Hope you guys are following me. Hope you guys are able to come up. If you guys happen to be in the area, you know, obviously, you know, if you live in downtown LA, you're not going to go all the way to Camarillo. But if you happen to be in Camarillo, and I happen to be there, you know, they might have something. And and you might be able to get yourself hooked up. That's pretty dope. But yeah, the heat section, that was pretty dope because they got that little heat wall that's normally there. That was pretty decent. They had those shattered backboard Jordan 1 low golf, and those didn't look bad. Those Jordan 1 golfs, man, like the rubber's like slightly thicker, but they're not like typical golf sneakers. They're not like the Jordan 5, the Jordan 11s, where they have like the big plastic piece on the bottom and stuff. It's not like that. So you can totally rock those. Like I've seen people rock those, and you know, you can't really tell they're golf sneakers. So that's pretty dope. You know, throughout the aisles and stuff like that, didn't find the craziest things, but that little heat section as well as the heat cart in the back, that was pretty dope. So that's kind of what you hope for. That's kind of what, you know, you kind of go to the different outlets hoping for something like that. You know, maybe find some killer steals in the clearance section, but that's where majority of the stuff, majority of the dope stuff gets found. So yeah, I hope you guys are out and about. You know, sneaker game is changing a little bit, kind of go back to what we used to see, because the resale's going down, which is pretty dope. So yeah, I hope you guys are out there. Hope you guys are finding stuff. Like I said, don't put a bunch of stuff on your credit card and stuff, but if you got a few bucks laying around, totally worth it. So yeah, hopefully I can make another video for you guys in a bit. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it today. Make sure you help our boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. And yeah, if you guys find something dope out there, let me know though. Let me know, because maybe I'm in the area. Maybe I can stop by as well. You know, I try to give you guys a hint. Maybe you guys could help me out. I do get messages from quite a few guys. So hopefully that continues, and hopefully more people help out. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Good luck, fools. Good luck.